CNC Speedwell in the West Midlands, they're always looking to try and improve their efficiency. But it's not just about machine tools, robot automation, software. There's other things they're looking at as well. And there's a small clue just here and over my shoulder. Jason, this is an absolutely fantastic system in the background, Iswarf management. But first of all, people who don't know you, Jason Stippling, J&S Engineering, what do you guys do?
We specialise in Iswarf systems, from centrifuges to crushers to big briquette systems like this one.
And this, I mean, I've never seen anything like it. It's absolutely fantastic. But it's a complicated system, but in simple terms, Iswarf in one end, briquettes out the other.
Exactly right, yeah.
But it's not quite that simple. You've got the brief. Steve Barwell, GM at CNC Speedwell, what did he ask?
Basically, we had to briquette 100 tonnes of cast iron per week, loose cast iron.
100 tonnes?
100 tonnes,
okay.
Yeah. So basically, we have 4 hoppers. It can store 11 tonnes of cast iron in the hoppers. It's all fully automated. As soon as they put the Iswarf in, it automatically starts, briquettes it. As soon as the weight has been reached, the machine stops. They then can change the bin, restart it again, and it's fully automatic until the weight is reached again.
So we're always saying about spindles turning 24/7. This machine is running
24/7.
Absolutely. Yeah. I'm thinking loads of cost savings, loads of efficiencies. But you mentioned 100 tonnes of Iswarf. How many machines are they running here?
They're running 140 twin spindle machining centres here.
Okay, hence so much Iswarf. So yeah. That Iswarf's coming in. It's showcasing a lot of cost savings, a lot of efficiencies. So previously, what was happening with that Iswarf?
The Iswarf previously was being shipped to India and also Turkey for processing. So we've reduced the carbon input a lot.
Okay, so not only saving money, carbon footprint, environmentally friendly.
Exactly right, yeah.
Okay, now they've got their own foundry on site.
Yep.
So I'm assuming these briquettes are going back there?
Yep, as soon as they've been briquetted, we have to keep the moisture level below 2%. Right. They're then going straight back to the foundry, re-smelted, and the part is then re-machined.
Right, so smelted, re-machined, robot loaded,
yep.
More Iswarf back here.
Back in again, and the whole system starts again.
Nice, absolutely brilliant. And again, a complicated system made very simple. But you mentioned here, in terms of the levels of the liquid, why?
Yeah. Well, the moisture level has to be below 2% for their foundries to work, to stop the briquettes exploding and for them to do a nice melt, to stop it floating on the surface as well.
So fairly important process here. You don't want things exploding.
No.
So, I mean, again, looks very simple, but the rams, for example, that's part of the process. What's going on with those?
Well, we can program the briquette length. Every ram and every cylinder has a linear monitoring scale on it, so we know the position of every single cylinder. It means then that we can control the briquette length, which in turn controls the moisture level.
Right, okay, so no explosions.
Yeah, exactly,
brilliant.
Yeah. I mean, when this is running 24/7, we can actually briquette 168 tonnes of Iswarf.
That's absolutely phenomenal figures,
yeah,
really is.
Yeah.
Now, another thing you mentioned, traceability?
Yeah, traceability. So the cast iron has different additives put to it. And we have a clean down system, so each hopper can run a different type of material. So they press a button, it cleans the whole system down. They can then run a different type of cast iron with a different additive in it, so they can trace the briquettes. It's all labelled up after in the boxes, shipped back to the foundry. They then don't have to re-add those additives in, which they were previously doing from buying in raw material.
Again, more cost saving, more efficiency.
Exactly right.
Right, so it's just efficient, like I said, more cost saving, more efficiency all round. It's really fantastic. The whole thing is really, really impressive. Not seen one like this before. A key question, I think, all engineers out there, well, a couple of things. What would be their return on investment?
Here, the return on investment is about 1 year. And it may even be slightly less now, because we've realised that we are actually reclaiming 1,000 litres of coolant per day.
Right, so that's another sort of cost-saving efficiency that's come out of this whole process.
Yep, 7,000 litres a week, because they run 7 days a week here, absolutely. 24 hours a day.
Right, and again, absolutely fantastic system. I'm thinking, well, 140 machines tools here, but let's say a standard engineer, I'm going to say I've got 10 machines. Can you accommodate that? Oh yeah, we do small machines that go under individual briquette machines that go under individual machines. We also do centrifuges, and we do medium-sized briquette machines. We can cater for everyone. Okay, so the simple answer is fantastic return on investment, fantastic efficiencies, Iswarf management. Contact yourselves. Yeah, exactly right.